Guys, mag-unboxing ta. Dumating na yung order ko na MOSFET para dito. Sana lang okay to. MOSFET lang kailangan palitan. Tapos ng unboxing, i-install ko to ang 4 na MOSFET. Ito na siya. Yun ang number. IRL 40EC 209. Ito. Ito na. Kapit niya. Check ko lang guys kung hindi ba shorted. Gate to source. All good. So they shorted. Okay. Yung gate to source to gate wala na talaga. So okay na to. So testing natin guys sa copper 0.2 at saka nickel streak to this stainless steel. First pulse 40 milliseconds, second pulse 60, interval in between 2 pulse is 99 milliseconds. Hindi kaya. Increase. First pulse 70, second pulse 80. Guys, okay na siya. So kailangan ng first pulse 70, second pulse is 80. So first pulse 80, interval time is 99 milliseconds for the second pulse, and then second pulse is 90 milliseconds. Try how strong enough to hold guys. So okay na okay. Nickel stick parang nagbago yung kulay. So okay na no more problem.